We actually added, we laid focus here to increase the foundation of the building. Meanwhile, the land is swampy, and in order to eradicate the effect of water in the building, we decided to raise the foundation. As you can see, the level of the ground beam, which is the plain beam, we now added focus to raise the foundation of the building so that there will be no water disturbance in the building. Maybe after it must have finished being constructed. As you can see, is it here? You can see it. You can see it.